Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone. It's simple and only take a few minutes, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Wallpaper. Tap on Add New Wallpaper to choose a new background. You can select from Apple's featured wallpaper or tap on Photos at the top left in order to choose your own picture. Once you pick an image, you can adjust it by pinching or dragging to reposition. Some wallpapers let you add widgets or change the clock style too. When you are ready, tap on Add in the top right corner. And now you can set the image as wallpaper pair or customize them separately by tapping on Customize. Swipe between styles by getting it to the customization page, and once you are done, click on Done at the top right. And that's it! You have successfully changed your wallpaper on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.